Hi and welcome back. This is part 2 of the sand casting tutorial. I'm going to go over how to melt metal and pour it into your sand molds. Thanks so much for everyone who has subscribed over the last few months and asked me to post a part 2. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to comment in the comment section and keep liking and subscribing. All right, so I have my casting mold already ready to go. I'm gonna be casting a pretty thin piece and using 14 karat gold, which I've cleaned and gotten ready how to clean your metal. If you're wondering how to do that properly, you always wanna put it in some kind of pickle solution, pickle pot, to clean off all of the residues that might be on it. If you have an ultrasonic machine, it's not a bad idea to pop your metal in there and that'll shake off any dust, dirt, etc. This is my crucible that I use, which I've cured and sealed with borax. As you can see, it's got like a glass kind of coating on it. That's really important to do on your ceramic casting crucibles because they will be porous if you don't seal them up. The other thing that you're going to need for casting is borax in a powdered form like this. And what this is a casting flux. It will clean your metal and get out any kind of gases and dirt, oxidized particles, things like that. This is definitely crucial to use when you're melting your metal. And I'm gonna go over the torch. This is my turbo torch right here. This only operates on a propane tank. These are kind of hard to find. So, I'm really curious what you guys use. Let me know. So thanks so much for tuning in and watching my sand casting videos. I will say, if you're just starting out and having a little bit of a challenge achieving a good cast, rings are a lot harder to cast than simple two-dimensional objects. Things with a lot of detail are also a little bit trickier, so keep it simple. I would say like thick coins are a really good kind of thing to cast for the first go round. Things like shells and shark's teeth are also really awesome. I'm really curious to know what you guys are doing. And if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, thanks again for subscribing and watching.